Hey y'all, it's your girl Dasha Pace, and I'm back again in my kitchen. And today we're gonna do some fried bananas. I'm not cutting them up really small. I've already peeled them. I only did two. Because that's all I had. All right, let's see. I have some cinnamon, brown sugar, and white sugar. Hold tight. Let me get my bowl. Dry up my bowl. Put my bananas over in here. I have my grease already warming up. I have some butter. A little, like a teaspoonful of butter. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just take my little brown sugar and cinnamon, and just throw it over there. Let's see. Because my bananas was like a little bit overripe. So I don't want them mushy. Just like that. Let me get my plate. Put my plate over here. Turn this grease up a little bit. Get this little bit of butter and this grease going, just for the flavor. Let's see, y'all. I think that's good. Let me take this piece of butter out. Let's drop these bananas over in there. We're gonna fry some bananas up. That said, it's only 2 bananas, so it's not many. So it's not going to be crowded. I have this excess of just like that. Yeah, I gotta get at that half of the same, just like that. Let's fry us up some bananas. Turn it up on high. Let me wash my hands off. How does it smell, Rain?
Smells good.
I don't know what she's smelling, y'all. No, it does. It smells good. The only thing I'm going to do is just put these bananas. And I have my stove on like an 8. Fried bananas, y'all. Actually, I'm turning it up even a little bit higher.
That smells really good. It reminds me of something that I ate before.
It smells like cinnamon toast, French toast.
It kind of smells like funnel cake too.
Does it?
Yeah, I do. Probably because of the cinnamon or something, the brown sugar.
Yeah,
something.
Probably. I'm ready to take these out, y'all, in another few seconds. Why do you have the camera on there?
Oh.
And we have some Cool. We're gonna top it with some Cool Whip.
It's whipped topping.
Okay, well, whip topping. I'm gonna turn that off.
That smells very good.
Fried bananas, y'all.
Imagine me air fried bananas.
Fried bananas.
That looks so delicious.
With some whipped cream. Sorry. Drizzle. I'm gonna get a spoon for Princess Rain. So Princess Rain can tell you how it tastes. You know it's hot.
Good.
Get some of the Cool Whip or whipped cream.
It's really good.
Alright, y'all. So I guess that quick little snack is good. It's melting. The whipped cream is melting. Y'all stay tuned.